Union Pacific 4307, CSX 3416, CSX 4531, Union Pacific 5930, and Union Pacific SD78 is 8826. Woo! First train of the day in Metairie with the Little Horn Show. Woo! Woo! Got a Little Horn Show. I don't know if you heard him, but he honked the horn down there. He honked the horn a little bit down that way. I don't know if y'all heard him. Got a Rail King. I think my defect detector is going off. Oh, okay, we got a train meet. At least I think we do. I think. Hold on. Hold on, I think we have a train meet. I think. Because the gates down there are activated. We have a train meet? That was weird. It's a pretty long train.
What you looking at? I don't know you. Who are you? Who are you? You heard that salute I got?
Uh-huh.
That was me back there you were blowing at.
Uh-huh.
You heard it?
Wait, say hi to YouTube.
Oh, man, what's up, man? Another Rail fan out here with Ashton and my son, man.
Yep.
We out here every weekend, y'all. We huge Rail fans. What's up, y'all, too? What's up? What's up?
This is one of my Rail fan friends. Shout out to them.
What's up, man? We out here every Saturday. What's up?
What's up? Haha. That's one of my other Rail fan friends. Shit, so shout out to them. Shout out to them. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but my defect detector's going off. Not sure if y'all can hear it due to the loud train of the cars and all. Hey, Fairmax all right. He's a long train. I don't know why the other railroad crossing gate's activated. There was no train. I'm guessing it was maybe a malfunction, or maybe there was a train and he just stopped. Something I don't know. Oh, there's another train up on the bridge, on the other track. Let's go. We got a train meet. Let's go. We got a train meet. Woo! Let's go. Two train meets in 2 weeks. 2 weeks in a row. Let's go! Woo! Man. This train right here is long. Hey, CP Autorat. I don't see those often. I mean, I see them, but not really often. I see the end of the this train right here. Oh wow. Look at this. I don't know if, hold on. I'm gonna show y'all this second train right after this train. Hey, brand new Faramex Auto Rack. No graffiti. Hold on. Woo! Let's go. We got a train meet. Oh, he's moving too. He may not stop. Once the end of this train passes, I'm gonna try to get my rail friend's attention. Oh, 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 we gotta, oh, yes. Woo! Woo woo! There goes the end of that train. First train in Metairie, Union Pacific, with our little horn show. Hope y'all enjoy. Woo! There goes the gates. Hope y'all enjoy. Woo!